border crossing day today. I'm very excited, but also a bit nervous because I have to leave Georgia as a Brit and I must insist on arriving in Armenia as an Australian. So I don't know how that's going to go. Also, the weather's due to be filthy. Got 5 lari for food to get me to the border. Chocolate bar, croissant, biscuits and a banana along with half a loaf of bread. That should be enough to get me to the border and beyond. This nice truckie stopped to give me water.
User!
So nice, thank you. What a nice empty Georgia. Sparkling Georgian water, what a treat. He offered me a lift to Gyumri in Armenia as well, which was tempting because this headwind is eye-watering. In the last town in Georgia, I found a hardware store to tighten my pannier screw. It's still a bit wobbly. I think I need to hold the plug on the other side while it's screwed, but it's better. Turned really grim, horrible headwind, freezing rain, so I'm going to catch my breath and then see about crossing the border. I've Google translated into Armenian and Georgian situation, so who goes nothing. I asked Georgia if they would stamp me out of both so that Armenia would accept me on the Australian. They won't stamp both, but they've stamped me out on the Australian one even though I entered on the British one. So I hope it doesn't count as an overstay, but in any case I've got what I wanted and I get to enter Armenia as an Australian. Three Armenian passport checks, my luggage checked, but no vaccine or PCR check, and I'm in Armenia, a brand new country.
Sometimes you just like, but then when I am like that, I'm like, you are choosing to do this. You can try and get any cost.
Yeah.
Once you have that in your head, then you're like, actually, I'm enjoying this. Because I could hit time, but I'm doing this because I like it as opposed to.
From here, the weather turned horrible again, and so I found a hostel to hide from the rain. Warm and dry, but on the very last of my rations until I can change my needs, so it's bread and satay for dinner.